Nagpaabot ng babalang head trainer ng WBC World Welterweight Champion Mario Barrios na si Bob Santos kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Yan ang ulat ni Tibet Paulo Salamatin.
Nagsisimula ng pag-aralan ng kampo ni World Boxing Council o WBC World Welterweight Champion Mario Barrios, si former 8th Division World Champion at pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao. Walang balak magpakampante si Barrios sa kabila ng kanyang peak form at 16 na taong agwat sa kanilang edad ni Pacquiao. Sa video post na inilabas ng Viva Promotion sa kalagitnaan ng kanilang pag-iensayo, tila nagbigay ng dalawang opsyon ng coach ni Barrios na si Bob Santos para kay Pacquiao. Ibinahagi rin ni Santos na lipas na ang pamamayagpag ni Pacquiao sa boxing at naniniwalang panahon na ngayon ng kanyang bata na si Barrios.
I'm going to say something, Professor. Pacquiao, you had your time. Now it's Al Azteca time. We appreciate the run, but it's his time. And it's not because Pacquiao don't have the hand speed, the foot speed. We've seen all that, and obviously he's got the IQ and he's got the experience. But this man is hungry, he's determined, and he's going to take it to the next level. He's going to prove that out. Like I said, July 19th. Manny, you know that. Freddie, you know that too.
Magkakaalaman na ang dalawang boksingerong may magkaibang kwento pero parehong uhaw na makakuha ng panalo sa magaganap na WBC World Title Fight ngayong July 19 sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.